Hello guys and welcome back to my another video. In that video we are going to learning about new lesson named SQL. What is SQL? Structured Query Language. It's a popular coding language of creating the database and equalization. This video is for beginners and then pro editors. So let's get started to create our first new database. Firstly, we need to open our MySQL workbench in our desktop, and then here is our MySQL connection. This is this local instance of MySQL. When you download your SQL and open your MySQL workbench, you can see this local instance of MySQL 93 default. So click here, and then here is our database interface come. You can click and you can see this database. Creating the database, write this command, create database. No. And then semicolon it, enter it, and then use no. Okay. Now enter it 2 times and create our first table. So create table. What table? Student. You can call it anything else. I call it student. Okay. Double bracket, semicolon. Now enter it 2 times of the second brackets and then creating the student's ID firstly. So ID is integer, comma, student name, Archer 50, comma, student dash role Archer 50, comma, and last is student date. Student date, not date. Student date. When you this comma, we ignore it, this error is come. Means our data is not worked. So recommended is our comma. So this our table has completed. Now we are going to select this all of the data. So select star from what? This student. Now this select command method is done. Here is our execute the special point. This power icon, click here, and then here is the data. Select from student, create table student, all of the sign. If you see this cross error, okay, I see this backspace it and student. This database is not. So this is an error. Here is this error, cannot create database, no. And then if you create another duplicate database, it cannot work. So it is recommended to use. Okay guys, and this is our database, you will see, and then see this data, refresh it, this sequence, refresh it, and here is our new tables, students. Here is our student table. Another times, this is a table. Click here, this icon, power icon, and this is the ID, student name, student role, student date. Okay, I can keep this code in my description. So guys, this is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon button. Assalamualaikum.